everybody, it's Molly from Molly's Artistry. I wanted to do another Baster injection. I'm using a metallic copper, a metallic bronze that I mixed with some red, and Artist Loft black. And my white base that I have, I just want to, well, the black is probably hard to show you. I wanted to show you how runny, you see it goes straight back into the cup? How runny my paints are. So they're very thin. I've covered this is a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I have covered it with my house paint. I've made that on a different video, so you can check that out earlier on in my channel if you like. If you like the videos, please subscribe, hit the bell button, and let me know what you guys think of this new technique. I'm trying to come up with new things for you guys, so if you got any comments, give them to me. All right, so I'm gonna make sure you're in camera, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm doing some different colors tonight because I want to see how, I know how the blues react now. I want to see how some of the others react. So I'm gonna start with sucking this on up. I'm gonna stick it right down in there, down into the bottom, and it creates a design as you squirt it in there. Make sure you squeeze and then get it into your cup so that it'll suck up all the paint. So I'm gonna do an injection of each color inside. Ooh, that one's really cool. I'm assuming that the black and the white, because they're so thinned out, are gonna make a gray, but we'll see. I want to save a little bit of paint because I'm going to top it off with the paint. I'm going to do this one kind of close to the surface and swirl. As I swirl, I get these different colors. These different designs. Okay, I don't want the black to overtake the painting, and I want a little bit of negative space. So I'm going to leave that, and then I'm just going to put the rest of my paint in there. Maybe just a little drizzle of black right down into the center. Okay, here we go. I've got all these pretty little cells already. Very cool. And this has no silicone in it. Got a lot of white up here at the top, so I'm going to take the colors down here just a little bit. Oh wow, I love this. I love this color combo too. Take it back to the middle. Then down over this side. Then back down. I want that edge. Oh wow. Looks like marble, you guys. Just touching up my corners down here. I'm going to hit it with a torch, see if anything else happens. Just helping the edges along. Oh my gosh, I love this little corner up here. Really, it looks like marble. I want to leave that corner alone. And I kind of like what's going on right there. I'll just dab that just a little bit, get some paint there. Okay, and then I've got that cloudy effect going on in there. And I kind of like this with the negative space in it. So hold on just one second. Let me wipe my hands. And I can already see all these cells popping up in here as this stretched out. I'm kind of afraid to torch it. The colors look so beautiful in it. What do you think, guys? Torch or don't torch? I'm going to torch right through here where I see this little... Torch right here where there were some colors. Just going to pop some air bubbles now. I actually don't want to mess with this. I don't want... Yeah, I don't want to mess with this at all. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I'll take you down so you can see it. Okay, so here already, I'm starting to get some little cells popping up. Look at that cloudy kind of, I don't even know how to describe that. It's beautiful, it's wispy. Take you down it this way. Look in there. The different, oh my gosh. Look at that lacing right there because I blew that part. That right there. All those little cells down here. And I'm loving that cloudy part in the middle. All right, you guys let me know if you like this, okay? Thank you. Have a good night, guys. Bye.